Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today we'll be drafting a palazzo trouser with freehand cutting. So now the fabric is on fold. We'll be working directly on the fabric. Now you measure your desired length, okay? And as we are drafting this, please note that I'm going to remove the measurement for the band, okay? So instead of me starting my measurement from 0, I'm going to be subtracting the band measurement. You see when I get there. So now I'm going to draw a border line which is serving as my waistline. So you can see the way I place the tape rule. So I'm starting from 1.5. Then to measure from there I'll measure my crotch length. And to measure your crotch length is hip round divided by 4 plus 1 or 1.5 or even 2 inches. It depends on your body. So now I've measured my own crotch length. I won't be using hip line for this. So I'm just working on crotch length directly. Now I'm going to fix in a quarter of my hip round. That's my hip round divided by 4. So this is it. I'm using 10. So you measure it. So that's what I measured. Then I added this 10 divided by 4 again. That's 2.5. So for my crotch extension, so I added 2.5 inches. Crotch length first, then the crotch depth or crotch extension. So now I'm going to create an arc from this crotch extension to the actual measurement here. You can see the way I create this curve. Okay, so now this is for the basic. So now that we're doing palazzo, we need to add 1 inch extra to the crotch extension. 1 inch extra. You know, palazzo trouser is meant to be free down there. So now the same measurement I have for my hip, that's the quarter of my hip, I'm going to extend it to my trouser length. You can see, so I'm measuring the same 10 inches. So I'll connect it with a ruler. Then somewhere at the mid, which is supposed to be the knee length, so I'm now going to use the curved part of my ruler to create a small arc, just this way. Remember, from your basic trouser, then you will add 1 inch extra to the crotch depth. They will blend it properly. So now on the waistline, you're going to measure your waist measurement, a quarter of your waist round. I think mine is about 7.5 or 7.25. You measure it. See the way I place my tape measure. So you are starting from the center front, not from the side. So for this trouser, so you see the way it is. That is not part of the plan because it's just a very light material. So I'm not putting that. Then I added 1 inch at that side for joining allowance. Okay, then you carefully cut it out. Then check the way I'm cutting the other side also. Then you cut it this way. So that is it for the front. Then we're going to go ahead and create the back also. You place the fabric on fold. Then make sure you leave some allowance ahead and on both sides also. So now for the back, I only extend the crotch by 1 inch. But I'll still go back there. So at the center front, for center back now, I raise it up by 1 inch. The center back, I raise it up by 1 inch and blend it to the side. Please just watch the video carefully. It's self-explanatory. You can see. So I only raise the center back by 1 inch and I blend it slightly to the side. Okay. Then for the crotch extension, I added 1 inch to it. Added 1 inch. So I need to blend it also to the main bodies, to the 1 inch higher that I extended at the top. You can see. Okay. So now I will now measure 1 inch at the down part of the same center back. I added 1 inch extra. You can see. So I have to blend it. So I can't just join it to the main bodies like that, so I have to add 1 inch to it. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is what we have. That's all for the back. That is all. Then for the band, see, I just folded some pieces, just my leftover pieces, and measure how high I want the band to be. I think it's about 1.5 or 2 inches is okay. Then add your joining allowance, that's your sewing allowance, what you use, and attach the band to the trouser. So this is it. So this is the trouser, both front and back. So now I'm going to show you how to join it. So this is the back. This particular part, just pick, if it's the back you want to pick or the front, you pick it together and join each one together at the center, to the crotch side. Hope you understand. Just join it 1/2 inch to the crotch extension. Join it that way. You can see what I'm saying. I've joined this from the waist down to the crotch extension. You do for both front and back. Then you put the two over each other and join. You know, definitely the front will be shorter than the back. That's the way it is. But you pull it together when you want to join and stitch it down. You also do the same thing for the other side also, and you fix your band and also stitch your hem. So this is what I have when I was done. I've joined my band and I fixed my zipper at the side. So this is it. Please, if you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.